Hi guys, welcome to the video. I got an idea from a user. It says, Erik, why don't you make a logo for your distribution? And I said, look, I like this a lot, right? This arch logo. What do I have? It gave me an idea to build a tool, the FastFetch tweak tool. And it allows me to change all kinds of things. And there really is a long drop down to do things, change things, and then in the end, modules you can change and the logos you can change. So many logos there are, right? And install and installable, all these things, and then in the end, even raw things, right? So we have really presets to just click and load, and this will be your look from then on, right? Just apply and done. Now, this tool is not available, but what is available is what's coming. So super F7, if you haven't installed Archlinks, well, Cairo Archlinks, what you see is an update, and I need to help you a little bit. So you see the new improved look of FastFetch. We're not going to create anything in the sense that we're arch. And anybody who says differently, we're arch with some tools and configs, right? So is EndeavorOS, so is Garuda. And yes, opinions can differ, and that's okay, right? We respect each other. But in the end, we're all building on the building blocks of Archlinks. This is the one I want to look together with you. So there's an update of the Dotfiles. Enter. What I typically do is a skel, right? The skel thing, well, maybe I should just log out first and go to something everybody knows, XFCE. Okay, you're on XFCE, and then you go to Thunar File Manager. And what matters is this one, and FastFetch if it's available, right? I've been playing with NeoFetch, I see on this one, right? FastFetch. So we need configuration of FastFetch, okay? Where is it when you update it? Super Shift Enter, it's actually in your system. So I could type just skel, right? I can do that and done. Or I explain. File system, etc skel. That's where your configuration is. We have a FastFetch up here and Alacritty up here. Control C, .config etc skel, yours .config, Control V. Will you override it? Yes, right? Replace. What happens? This. When you type FF, so FastFetch, this is new, right? This is what you get now. Now, everything is applied splendidly, actually. I should stop my video here. There's just one thing I need to tell you, and maybe I've installed it. Let's see, in this machine, minus remove, ttf-hack. No. So in the next ISO, I'll make sure that ttf-hack is there. That's fine. Always been our thing. But there is another one, nerd. And because of the nerd font, we're really sure that we're going to use the glyphs or the icons, the little icons you see there. When we type up Control T, FF, when we do this, those little things, glyphs it's called, I think, right? That is available, that it's working all time. And that's the change, right? So when you have a FF, when you want to share something with somebody, or you just have a nice screenshot, this would be nice. You can remove maybe the network, in this case, doesn't matter, VirtualBox, even locally, it doesn't really matter, as long as the public IP is not there. So that's something to look out for. A public IP really means the door to enter in your home, right? So they can try to get in via that IP address. That's not a good idea to share that in a picture. Voila, I think I said everything. So the alternative was a skel. If you say I have a lot of things and I don't want it to be overwritten, it will not be overwritten, it will be copied, right? It's here. It's still here. So you compare this folder with that folder and it's back, right? Comparing is Meld, super D and ELD, Meld. And just drop the folder in or the file in and compare. One last thing, I'll do a skel. So tip is I have my own Alacritty. Okay, Control C, Control V, and rename this one as mine. Why is this more workflow kind of minded? They're next to each other. Right mouse click, and then you compare, and you say, oh, there's a difference in there because you changed something. Very simple thing. The font size, for example, right? 12, save. And then this is saved, and then we close. So we do a skel. Let's first make sure they are exactly the same, right? Compare. So these guys, it stands out, it's blue. And think about selecting this one. You don't want to see the default one. Just want to see this one, right? Alacritty. This is your change. So 12 it is. From now on, I want to see 12. Save. Done. Then they do a skel. What happens? We overwrite, right? That's the point of skel, to get the new configurations in. But if you go again later on, say, okay, what's the difference between what came in, what I've created, compare, just the one. What happened to it? Ah, yeah. So back to 12. That's how I do it with Ohmychadwm, with i3, LeftWM, things like that. You say, this is really mine. I don't want it to change. Make a copy and just melt it back. Easiest way. All right. Cheers.